ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. 0 divided by any number is 0. ಆದರೆ ಬಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದರೆ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ divided by 0 is infinity. This is undefined. Therefore, the condition B should be natural number and A should be whole number. Next, we'll take one square. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 divided by 4 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು 4 sections. Okay. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ is a quantity that expresses a part of the whole thing. Now if you consider this circle, this one complete circle is divided into 8 sections. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ 8 ಭಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ is divided into 8 sections. Therefore 1/8, one complete circle is divided into total 8 sections, 8 equal sections. Now ಈ 8 sections ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 sections are colored blue, they are shaded blue. Remaining 5 sections are unshaded. ಅದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದಿ shaded portion, that is blue portion, is 3 out of 8. 3 are shaded blue and the remaining unshaded sections are 5. Therefore 5/8. Next we will see the types of fractions. Proper fraction. Denominator ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗಿಂತ those are all the proper fraction. Improper fraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗಿಂತ, those are all improper fraction. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3/9 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ 1/3, ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1/3 and this is also 1/3. The value of those fractions are same but the representation will be different. Those are all the equivalent fraction. Next we will see the decimal fraction. Decimal fractions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ those are all decimal fractions. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಲ್ಗರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಇಲ್ದಲೇನೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಲ್ಗರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ those are all the complex fractions. Now we'll see the difference between LCM and HCF. ಈ LCM ಮತ್ತು HCF ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ know how to find LCM and HCF. Now we'll find the LCM of these 3 numbers. ಇದು LCM ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. That number is 2 which divides all these 3 numbers. Therefore 2, 4, 6, 8. Again it is divided by 2, 2, 3, 4. Again by 2, 2, 1. 3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3, 2. Again by 2, 1, 3, 1. By 3, 1, 1, 1. Therefore ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Therefore the LCM is 48. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ We'll find the LCM of these two. The factor is 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again by 2, 3 will carry as it is, 2, 3. Again by 2, 3, 1, 3. Again 3 factor, 1, 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, the LCM is 24. Similarly, we'll find the HCF. Now, HCF na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. That factor should divide all these three numbers. If you take 2, 4, 6, 8. Again by 2, 2, 3, 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದೇರ್. Therefore 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore the HCF is 4. Similarly, we'll find the HCF of other one. Again the factor is 2, 3, 4, 6. ಈ ಮೂರ್ಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the HCF is only 2. Now the HCF means highest common factor. Now we'll take what are all the factors of 8. ಈಗ factors of 8 ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 8 factors is 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4, next 8. Next factors of 12. Factors of 12 is 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Again factors of 16 are 2, 4, 8, 16. ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದ HCF ಈಸ್ 4. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ 6 ಇಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 2, 3, 6. 8 factors are 2, 4, 8. 12 factors are 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Therefore, the only number which is common in all these three numbers is 2. That is the highest number. Therefore, that is HCF is 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಈ ಮೂರು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್, that is 48. That is the least number which will come common in all these three multiples. This is the difference between LCM and HCF. Next, we'll convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that, this is the formula. We'll take example. In example, this is the natural number part, remaining is proper fraction. If you use that formula, this is equal to natural number part is 2 into denominator is 8 plus numerator is 5 divided by denominator is 8. 2 8s are 16 plus 5 by 8. 16 plus 5 is 21 by 8. This is the mixed to improper fraction because the numerator is more. Similarly, this one natural number part 3 into 15 plus numerator is 7 by denominator 15. This is 3 into 15 45 plus 7 divided by 15, that is equal to 52 by 15. This is the improper fraction for that mixed fraction. This is the way of finding converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next, we will see converting an improper fraction into mixed fraction. For that, I will take two example. Now 37 is divided by 8. 37 is divided by 8. Now if you take 8 4s are 32, the remainder is 5. Therefore, the equivalent mixed fraction is quotient. Quotient is 4 remainder is 5 divided by denominator is 8. Denominator athwa divisor. Similarly, 19 is divided by 5. 19. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 4. Therefore, the equivalent mixed fraction is quotient is 3. Remainder is 4 by the denominator or divisor is 5. This is the way of converting the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Next we will see converting unlike fraction into like fraction. Like fractions ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 5 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 7 5s are 35. 35 into 3 is 105. Therefore, the LCM is 105. Now we'll make the denominator of 3 by 7 as 105. Again, 3 divided by 7 will multiply and divide by some number, and that should be equal to the LCM denominator, that is 105. Now 15s are 7, 15s are 105. This is 15. 3 15 is 45. Similarly, 4 by 5. This 4 by 5 will multiply and divide by some number such that the equivalent denominator will be equal to the LCM 105. This is 21s are. Now 4 on 4 8, 84 by 105. Similarly, 1 by 3 will multiply and divide by some number. The equivalent denominator will be LCM 105. 90, that is 35. You have to multiply and divide by same number. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, this is 35 by 105. Therefore, the equivalent like fractions for these fractions are 45 by 105. Next 84 by 105. Next 35 by 105. Similarly, we'll find this LCM of the denominator. Denominator the LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ 4 5 8 16. Common factor if you take 2 2 5 4 8 2 1 5 2 4. Again by 2 1 5 1 2. Again by 2 1 5 1 1. Again by 5 1 1 1. Therefore, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. Therefore, the LCM is 80. Now 3 by 4 will multiply and divide by some number, that the equivalent denominator will be equal to 80. This is 20s are, therefore 60 by 80. Next 3 by 5, 3 divided by 5 will multiply and divide by some number so that the denominator will be equal to 80. 50, 10, then 6 16, 16s are 80, 16. Now 16 3s are 48. Next we'll take 7 by 8. 7 by 8 will multiply and divide by some number that should be equal to the denominator LCM 80. 10 10, 70 by 80. Next 9 by 16 multiply and divide by some number, that the denominator should be the LCM 16 5. This is also 5. 45 by 80. Therefore, the equivalent fraction, like fractions for these fractions are 60 by 80, next 48 by 80, next 70 by 80, next 45 by 80. Okay, the equivalent fractions for the given fractions are this one, like fractions. This is the way of converting unlike fraction into the like fraction. Next we will see the decimal. In a fraction, denominator is removed and its absence is shown by a small dot called the decimal point inserted in its proper place. ಈಗ 6/10 ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. 10 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 0.6. 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 100 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 1.42. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ 35 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಈಸ್ 0.035. Now there are some decimal numbers. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1/10, 100, 1/1000 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 0 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Now if you take this number 7234 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 digits ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 100th place, therefore you have to divide it by 100 after decimal point. Therefore 93 divided by 100, this is 7234 plus 0.93, that is 7234.93. okay, like this in place value chart ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ 2 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸು 2 ಇದೆ. therefore the number of digits after decimal point are different, therefore the decimal numbers are unlike decimals. Next, converting a given fraction into a decimal fraction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 and higher powers of 10 idre will take you will shift the decimal point, that is 24.7. again this by 10 to the power of 300,000, when you divide it by 1000, that is 0.023. now 1 is divided by 4. now when you divide 1 by 4, 0.042 are 8, remainder is 2, 0, 4 5 are 20, remainder is 0. therefore this value is 0.25. ಈ ರೀತಿನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ you can convert into denominator 10 and higher powers of 10, that is 1/4. denominator 10 and higher powers of 10 ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ I will multiply and divide by 25. 4 into 25 is 100, numerator 25, that is 0.25. similarly 73 divided by 125, for this I will multiply and divide by 8 so that the denominator will be 10 and higher powers of 10. like denominator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1000, the numerator 8 3s are 24, 4 2 7 8s are 26 plus 2 56 plus 2 58. therefore when you divide it by 1000, that is 0.584. similarly converting mixed fraction into decimal number, 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43. 43 divided by 8. 43 is divided by 8. Okay. 8 5s are 40. 3 is a remainder, 0.0. 8 3s are 24. 6. Again it is 0. 8 7s are 56. 4 0. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. Therefore this value is 5.375. Next we will see reducing a given fraction to its lowest term. Lowest term ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು lowest value ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ HCF 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದು HCF ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. therefore 45 and 75 ಇದ್ರದ್ದು HCF ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 15 again 3. therefore ಇದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. therefore we will multiply only these two. therefore the HCF is 15. now we will divide numerator and denominator by this HCF. for 45 by 15 divided by 75 by 15. 15 1 15 3 1 5. therefore this is 3 by 5. this is the lowest term. ಈ ಎರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ HCF ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. these are all coprimes. next we will find the HCF of 18 and 27. you take 3 6 9 again 3 3. therefore if you multiply this the HCF is 9. now we'll multiply, we'll divide numerator and denominator by 9. 18 by 9 by 27 by 9. 9 1 9 2 1 3. therefore it is 2 by 3. this is the lowest term of those fractions. converting a decimal fraction into vulgar fraction in its lowest term, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 plus 5.08, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 5 plus 8, it is in the 1 by 100th place. therefore we will divide it by 100. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ lowest termಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. when you convert it is 4 2s are 4 25. 25 into 5 is 125 plus 2 divided by 25, that is 127 by 25. this is the vulgar fraction, that is proper or improper in its lowest form. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ this one 26 plus 25 divided by 100. 25 1 4 4 into 26 4 8104 plus 1 by 4, that is 105 by 4. this is the decimal fraction into vulgar fraction. next, by comparing the fractions, we have to compare these two fractions whether they are greater, this is greater than this one or this is less than this one. like that we have to compare. To compare the fractions, the first method will make the denominator same. To make denominator same, so the same method will follow by taking LCM. we will take the LCM of denominator 12 16 2 6 8 again 2 3 4. therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, then 12 into 4 is 48, therefore LCM is 48. Now we'll multiply and divide by some number, that the denominator should be the LCM. Therefore 5 by 12 will multiply and divide by some number, the denominator will be equal to 48. Therefore 12 4s are 48, 4 20. Again 9 by 16 will multiply and divide by some number, that the denominator will be equal to 48, 16 3 and 3, 18 27. Now if you compare these two numbers, denominators are same, numerator are different. Numerator ಯಾವ fractions to value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ that will be greater. Therefore 20 by 48 is less than 27 by 48. Therefore our fraction 5 by 12 is less than 9 by 16. Okay. Next we'll compare the fraction by making numerator same. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್. Numerators, you take LCM of numerators 5 and 9. There is no common factor. Therefore 5 into 9 5s are 45. Therefore we will multiply. LCM is 45. 5 by 12 we will multiply and divide by some number, so that the numerator should be equal to the LCM of numerator, that is 45. 9 9 12 9s are 108. Again 9 by 16 we will multiply and divide by some number, that the numerator should be equal to the LCM 5. Therefore it is 5 and 5, 16 5s are 80. Therefore the numerators are same. Denominator ಯಾವ value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ that will be the lesser number. Therefore 45 by 108 will be less than 45 by 80. Therefore the fraction here also 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 12. This is the way of comparing the fractions by making the numerator same. Next, by cross multiplication, if there is a fraction a by b and c by d, now we'll cross multiply a into d. If it is greater than b into c, then a by b will be greater than c by d. Athwa a into d, if it is less than b into c, then a by b will be less than c by d. Therefore we'll cross multiply, that is 5 into 16 and 9 into 12. 516 is 80, this is 108. Therefore since it is 80 is less than 108, therefore 5 by 12 is less than 9 by 16. This is the way of comparing fractions by cross multiplication. Next we'll arrange these fractions in their ascending, smaller to greatest or from greatest to smallest we'll arrange. Now for that same we'll make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, we'll take the LCM of 3 4 12 16, 2 3 2 6 8, again by 2 3 1 3 4, again by 2 3 1 3 2 again by 2, 3 1 3 1 3 1 1 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Therefore the LCM is 48. Now we'll multiply and divide by some number so that the denominator will be equal to the LCM, that is 48. Okay, 3 into 16 is 48. This is 16. 2 into 16, 32. Now again 3 by 4. We'll multiply and divide by some number. The denominator will be equal to 48. This is 40 into 2, 12. This is also 12. 12 3s are 36. Now 5 by 12. 5 by 12 will multiply and divide by some number. Denominator will be 48. 12 4 48, 4 5 20. 20 by 48. Again 9 by 16 will multiply and divide by some number. Denominator will be 48. 16 3 9 3. This is 27. Now ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. Therefore first highest is this one. Therefore 35 will arrange from first we'll arrange to greater to smaller. We'll arrange greater to smaller as 36 by 48. Next highest is 32. 32 by 48. Next 27 by 48, and the next number is 20 by 48. Similarly, the greatest to smallest of the given fractions are 36 by 48 is 3 by 4. Next 32 by 48 is 2 by 3. Next 27 by 48 is 9 by 16. Next last 20 by 48 is 5 by 12. This is the greatest to the smallest number. Similarly, in the ascending order, smallest to greater will be, the smallest to greater will be 5 by 12, 9 by 16, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This is the arrangement of the given fractions in the ascending and descending order by making the denominator same. Okay, thank you. In the next video, we will see the basic operations on fractions.